Most kids are told to stay out of the kitchen. Yum Lab says, get in there. No plan? No problem. Open Yum Lab, point your camera at what's already in your kitchen, and let AI suggest recipes you can make right now. Step-by-step guidance helps kids prepare tools, identify kitchen appliances through AI image recognition, add them to the recipe and your profile as a record. Then safely learn how to use them with hands-free video instructions. With voice-assisted AI support, they can stay focused on what's happening on the countertop. Every recipe comes with simple cleanup guidance, helping kids build independence from start to finish. When the recipe is done, kids can photograph their creations and share their lab results with a youth cooking community. But what if they want to try something completely new? Yum Lab shows exactly which ingredients are missing and allows families to purchase only what's needed for a recipe. Just enough to explore, experiment, and learn without waste. Parents stay involved through guided permissions while kids explore independently. Every completed recipe unlocks real-world skills: knife safety, heat management, seasoning, and kitchen organization. With Yum Lab, kids learn real recipes, build real-life skills, and gain real confidence for the future. Yum Lab. The kitchen is yours.